and all beside a vigil keep. The West's asleep, the West's asleep. Alas and well may Éireann weep when Connacht lies in slumber deep. Their lakes and plains smile fair and free, mid rocks their guardian chivalry. Sing, oh, let man learn liberty from crashing wind and lashing sea. For often in O'Connor's van to triumph dashed each Connacht clan, and fleet as deer the Normans ran through Corsleaf Pass and Ardrahan. And later times saw deeds as brave for glory guards Clanrickard's grave. Sing, oh, they died their land to save from Aughrim's slopes to Shannon's waves. And if when on a vigil keep, the West's asleep, the West's asleep, alas and well may Éireann weep that Connacht lies in slumber deep. But hark, a voice like thunder spake, the West's awake, the West's awake. Sing, oh, hurrah, let England quake. We'll watch till death for Éireann's sake.